Dream mo bang makapasa sa Coconut VA at i-enjoy lahat ng benefits na ini-enjoy ng mga Coconut VAs ngayon? Then you are watching the right video. Welcome to Coconut VA series kung saan tutulungan ko kayo kung paano kayo maging successful at mas umangat sa ibang mga applicants sa Coconut VA. Disclaimer lang po, hindi po ito to guarantee you client matching but just to help you shine pagdating sa ating applications. Hello, I'm Jam and I'm excited to help you guys. Kaya ano pang iniintay nyo mga kabarangay? Subscribe, like, and share this to your friends and family na gusto maging parte ng Coconut VA. Let's go! Hello mga kabarangay! Welcome to the first video of our Coconut VA series. For this specific video, ang focus natin ay kilalanin kung sino ba si Coconut VA. As early as now, gusto kong ipakilala sa inyo si Coconut VA kasi dito nyo ma-assess kung ito bang agency nito ay para sa inyo. For the past year, ang dami kong natatanggap na messages na, ay, bakit hindi siya beginner friendly? Bakit ang taas ng qualifications? Bakit lagi akong rejected? And to answer all your questions, mga kabarangay, I'm very sorry because Coconut VA is looking for experienced digital professionals already. And when I say experienced digital professionals, ibig sabihin po niyan, no, may 1 year ka na as a virtual assistant, o di kaya naman may 1 year ka na sa BPO, o kaya naman may 1 year ka na, okay, as a remote worker, o kaya naman may 1 year ka na, no, sa any international-based company. So if entry level ka pa lang, I believe this agency is not for you yet. And yes, I said yet. Why? Because hindi ka man pwede ngayon, but I believe that in the future, pwede ka dito and we are gonna wait for you. I know for a fact na marami sa inyo ay gusto magsimula sa isang agency as a virtual assistant because you like the benefits, you like the safety net, you like all the, the services that agencies provide. Bongga nga naman talaga ito para sa mga, sa mga beginners. Pero you have to know that there are two types of agencies, guys. May pang beginner friendly or entry level friendly and meron para sa mga experience already, which is Coconut VA. Kaya naman kung entry level ka, do not lose hope because I have a free VA course para sa inyo para malaman nyo na kung paano kayo magsimula as a virtual assistant. It's linked here in my description box, no, nandiyan yung Barangay VA community. Join that and you get access to the free courses and all the perks, okay? But at the same time, no, after that, once you go through that, no, then I suggest you start with, beginner friendly or entry level na VA na opportunities sa mga clients or sa mga agencies. Meron naman mga beginner friendly at nandoon din siya sa ating 0 to VA na free course. Right after that, magpaka 1 year kayo dyan and we are gonna welcome you in open arms sa Coconut VA. And we can't wait for you guys to be part of the Coconut VA community. Sabi sa inyo, I got you mga kabarangay. Bahala sa inyo. So, wag po tayo mawala ng pag-asa, okay? Hindi po kayo qualified kay Coconut VA ay ibig sabihin nun ay hindi na kayo para sa VA world. No. Meron talagang tamang kliyente or agency para sa inyo at naniniwala ako dyan kaya i-push nyo lang yan mga mi. Anyway, kilalanin natin kung sino si Coconut VA, no? Sa mga qualified here. Coconut VA is a staffing agency based in Arizona, USA, and it is founded by 3 very amazing founders, okay? One is Eric, one is Tyler, and one is George. Silang tatlo ang founders ng Coconut VA. And what sets Coconut VA apart from the rest of the agencies out there is our culture. Talagang pangmalakasan ng culture namin dito and we call it the win-win culture. Yes guys, 3 win dahil naniniwala kami na dito sa Coconut VA ay dapat itong 3 to ay panalo together. The VAs, the client, and also the company itself. Hindi pwedeng si VA lang, hindi pwedeng si client lang, hindi pwedeng si company lang or else it's not gonna work. Kailangan lahat sila together. That's how we make decisions out here. And naniniwala kami na pag happy ang VA, happy din ang client. Pag happy ang client, happy din ang kumpanya. Mas longer yung relationship, mas lasting, mas strong, and mas pangmalakasan talaga. And why are our VAs happy? It's because of the benefits that they're getting. Unang-una is above average pay. As of now, September 2, 2024, ang average hourly rate, pag pinagsama-sama mo, okay, no, may average ng lahat ng Coconut VAs, no? It's $8.2 an hour. Okay? Ganon siya kalaki, guys, per hour. And I've never seen anything like that before. I believe yung highest rate ng aming VA ngayon dito sa Coconut VA ay parang $16 an hour. Ganon. Iba-iba po kasi yung range niya. Depende sa experience nyo. Okay, at saka sa, sa budget ni client. So yes, we have above average pay. And of course, besides the culture and above average pay, we have lots of benefits na pang malakasan. We have the 13th month pay na hindi mo talaga mahanap kung saan yan, no? Very seldom kayo makakahanap ng VA agency nagpo-provide ng 13th month pay. We have HMO or healthcare benefits. We also have, of course, your paid time off and paid US holidays. Like right now, I'm feeling this now, no? It's a US holiday and I don't need to work, pero I get paid the whole day. Meron pang mga milestone benefits and many more. At ang maganda dito sa Coconut VA, we work based on trust and we do not believe in micromanaging. No, that's why we don't have a time tracker na nag-screen record, screenshot. We do not do that, alright? We have this tracker called Jibble, where kailangan mo lang mag-in and out para lang sa iyong timekeeping, para malaman lang namin kung ilang hours ka a week at para mabigyan namin ng tamang sahod kayo. Or tama ba English ko? Para mabigyan ka namin ng tamang sahod on the next cut-off. Yun lang naman ang goal nun. Pero walang screen recording, walang screenshot. Actually, pwede mo pa siya i-edit on your own. So, dito din sa Coconut VA, we are not client-centric. We balance both clients and VA. We get the sides of both. Hindi kami basta-basta naniniwala sa kliyente lang. At saka at the same time, kung kayo ay pre-qualify as a talent ni Coconut VA, please know na pati yung clients namin, pre-qualify din namin. We wanna make sure na hindi sila toxic, na pang long term sila. And talagang, alam mo yun, nasa goal nila is to uplift lives of the Filipino talents as well. And kaya nila i-embody yung culture natin. We have the best client success here, si Fem. Very kalog, not very formal, not very demure. Very masaya siyang kausap, very laid back lang, very chill, hindi kami masyadong like corporate na very stiff, no. Okay, ganito ang kultura dito, we're very laid back, we're very chill, we're very positive, ganito lang talaga kami kasaya. And that is the reason why Coconut VA talaga is worth fighting for. Kaya naman kung ikaw ay talagang alam mo yung feeling mo qualified ka, natatakot ka lang, guys, give it a try. Okay, wala namang masama dyan. And while you go through the process, pag nasa pool ka na, guys, on the next video, ipapaalam ko sa inyo kung ano ibang process ng Coconut VA. But for example, nilagay mo na yung profile mo kay Coconut VA and part ka na ng pool. Guys, always remember na number 1, you're not hired yet. Number 2, client matching is not guaranteed. And number 3, if nothing happens sa application mo within 2 to 3 months, guys, then you may reapply again with a better profile. Okay? So, while you're in there, know that we're not exclusive. Pwede kayong kumuha ng clients on the side. Then go ahead, no? While you're in the pool, if you're in the pool now, then go ahead, okay, and get clients outside. Para ba naghihintay ka dito ay, mali mo, mauna ko doon sa iba. Tapos pag available na, pag na-match ka sa amin and still kaya pa ng bandwidth mo, you can get a part-time client for us and okay lang yon kahit may client ka outside. So para lang hindi sayang ang oras mo. So if this is you, then go ahead and, apply now dito sa description box. Andun yung parang guide kung paano magsimula kay Coconut VA. I'm gonna link it there. It's called the application walkthrough. Go through it. Pagmumukha ko din ang makikita mo dyan. But in this series talaga, sa next video lalo, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ba ang process, application process ni Coconut VA in a simple manner. Kung ano ba yung mga common errors, etc. Yan ang lahat na yan ay pag-uusapan natin sa future videos natin. So like and subscribe, guys, if you find this very, very helpful. At huwag kayo matakot, guys. Huwag din kayo matakot mag-fail. Kasi alam mo yon, mas nakakatakot yung may what if ka sa dulo, at least tinry mo. Okay? And you may fail now, but in the future, once everything is better in your end, you may reapply again. Baka that time, pasok na rin tayo, Ang importante is nilaban natin and we tried. That's it for today's episode. Sana nakilala niyo ng lubusan si Coconut VA, and I'm excited for your Coconut VA application journey. Alright? And I'll see you guys again on the next one. Bye!